Good morning, student. Student, topic continuity is going on. Now, there is a algebra of continuous function. Algebra of continuous function. Students, let f and g are two continuous functions. Then the functions obtained by first their addition f plus g, second by difference f minus g, third by their product f into g, fourth their division f upon g where g is not equal to 0, fifth reciprocal of any of function 1 upon f but f is not equal to 0 are also continuous function. Are also continuous functions. Student topic is let f and g are two continuous functions. Then the function obtained by their addition, obtained by their difference, obtained by their product and obtained by their division f upon g. But g should not be 0 and obtained by their reciprocal, suppose 1 upon f. These functions are also continuous function. Student, now there is one more condition. Again, let f and g are two continuous functions. F and g are two continuous functions. Then the functions obtained by their composition. By their composition, like f composition of g of x means f of gx, and g composition of f of x is g of fx. These two functions are also continuous. These functions are also continuous. So, composition of two functions will be the continuous function. Students, now see the example based on this topic. It is question number 21, page number 160. This question is based on the concept composition and continuity of the function. Discuss the continuity of the following function. A part fx equal to sin x plus cos x. Let us discuss the continuity of the function fx plus sin x. Student, as you know, sin x and cosine x both are the continuous function. See the solution. Since sine function and cosine function are continuous everywhere. Student, from the graph you know the continuity of sine function, cosine function. Sine function is like a wave function which is continuous everywhere. Cosine function is the complement of the sine function. That is also the continuous everywhere. It is just complement of sine function. That is also continuous everywhere. Sine function, sin x, it is cos x. This side x is y equal to sin x. So these two functions are continuous everywhere. That is why function obtained by their addition, sin x plus cos x, is also continuous. Therefore, sin x plus cos x is also continuous everywhere. Everywhere means from minus infinity to plus infinity, or it is continuous to all real numbers. Now the B part and C part. In the B part, fx is equal to sin x minus cos x, and C part fx equal to sin x into cos x. Student, as you know, sine function and cosine functions are continuous everywhere, and we also know that if two functions are continuous everywhere, then the function obtained by difference obtained by their product are also continuous everywhere. Therefore, in the solution we will write sin x minus cos x is continuous everywhere. Since sine function and cosine function, sin x and cos x, are continuous everywhere. Similarly, we will write the solution for the C part. In the C part, there is a product of sine function and cosine function, and fx is sin x into cos x. Since sin x and cos x are continuous everywhere, therefore the function obtained by their product is also continuous everywhere. So language will be same. I hope you can write the proper language for the C part.